Mom, I love you. Why are you looking like that?
I'm looking at the pretty tree.
I know. Why do you think I'm recording it right now? See how it's gradually getting darker, bro?
All this stuff is blooming. Yeah. It's like somebody slowly put shades on my eye.
I know. Just look at that.
Like somebody closing a window real slowly.
That's just God doing that, mama.
Oh, goodness.
Look at that. Bro, just look at
It
that.
ain't even 4 o'clock.
It's not. It's like 3 something. Ooh, it done got even darker.
Look, we need to
It's
sit
like
down
a
so we
time
can-
lapse.
I'm glad y'all can go to sleep and have y'all feet all the way up to your chin.
I'll have to edit my feet and put some stickers over my feet in my videos.